Struggling with heavy vacuums and tangled outlet cords? Fed up with pet hair clogging brush bars? The Dyson V11 Plus combines powerful suction and intelligent technology for effortless cleaning. The hyperdymium motor spins at 125,000 RPM, delivering 60% more power than the V8 for lifting dirt from all surfaces. The detangling motor bar features hair removal vanes that automatically clear pet hair and long hair from the brush bar while you clean. The hair screw tool tackles pet beds, upholstery, and car interiors. The LCD display shows real-time battery countdown, power mode, and maintenance alerts. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of fade-free runtime on a single charge. 3 power modes optimize cleaning and battery for different tasks. Whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of particles and expels cleaner air. Transform into a handheld for stairs, cars, and above-floor surfaces. The wall-mounted dock charges and organizes accessories. If you want more information about this product, you'll find the link in the description and comments below.